Are you wondering if YouTube TV works across multiple locations? It's a common question, especially for people who travel or split time between homes. In this video, I'll explain whether YouTube TV allows usage in multiple locations and what you need to know. Let's get into it. YouTube TV is primarily designed for use within a single household at one location. While you can sign in and stream from different places occasionally, like while traveling, the service monitors for frequent access from multiple locations. If the system detects consistent usage outside your home area, it may flag your account for violating its terms of service. That said, YouTube TV does offer flexibility for temporary travel. You can activate pause mode during extended trips to avoid being charged while away, and your cloud DVR recordings will still be saved for up to 9 months. If this video helped you understand how YouTube TV handles multiple locations, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!